Hello and welcome to this lesson in how to design PCB using Autodesk Eagle software. In this lesson, I will talk about how to create a new project in Eagle. From now on, all the files and projects related to this course will be saved in a new folder. And to do so, right-click on the project folder and select New Folder. And I will call it My Course. And inside this folder, I will start a new project, and to do so again, right-click on My Course and select New Project. I will call this project First Project. Now, this is our active project. To create a new schematic, we can go to File, New and select Schematic. Or we can simply right-click on the project, select New and then select Schematic. And here's our schematic. Notice that it's unsaved so far. As an option, the first thing I do is going to Grid option and enable the grid display with Lines style. And for the units, I use millimeter, while you can use inches if you prefer it. And then hit OK. So, this is not a mandatory thing to do, but I prefer grid to be on while I'm working on Eagle. Now, to see the board layout, simply click on Generate/Switch to Board icon. And for the first time, it will show you a warning message. Just click Yes. And simply, now I have the board layout as well as the schematic layout. And I can simply switch between them. Remember, we will add any component and connect it in the schematic editor first. After creating a file, you should save it in your device. To do so, click on Save icon, or you can simply use the keyboard shortcut. I will save it as Hello World. Now, my files have been saved, and remember to save your files frequently so you won't lose them. Back to the control panel. A green dot here indicates the active project. To deactivate this project, click on the green dot. Let's say you want to delete this project. To do so, right-click on the project and select Delete. As we can see now, the project has been deleted. Now, try to delete it without deactivate the project, can you? So, today we learned how to create a new project and a new schematic and layout board. And in the next lesson, we will discover how to add parts to our design. That's it for today. See you next time.